Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw yesterday US market come off, and futures are more of a flattish. This is mainly driven by the today. This Jerome Powell will be having a testimony before the Congress, where he may sound bit cautious. And in the last meeting, they had indicated that the interest rate will be increased by 0.25% two times in the current year. And quite possible that he may continue to speak about similar things in the testimony as well. If we look at the CMA Fed Watch, that is already indicating that the interest will be increased by 25 basis point in the July meeting, which is on 26th July. So the expectation has already started building in of interest rate increase in the near futures again, and this has acted negative yesterday and can continue to put some pressure on the market. Apart from that, FedEx result also came post-market and which has come below market expectations, and that's why that is also trading bit lower in the pre-market trade in the US and down by around 3%. This is being a larger component of Dow will have some impact on the Dow also. Apart from that, Asian markets are also indicating softer opening except Japan. Most of the markets are down anywhere between 0.5 to 1%, except Hong Kong, which is down by almost around 1.4%. In fact, yesterday also we said that China, the measures which were expected to revive the Chinese economy are not coming, and even if are coming at a very low pace. The interest rate decrease was just 10 basis point and no followed with any major support. So, indicating that the Asian markets or China and Hong Kong are also feeling pressure of that. So yesterday we market corrected and then bounced back handsomely. But looking at the world market, it seems like the bounce back was larger, and we may see some corrections in today's trade. Even one of the event that the Indian Prime Minister is in US and is sending some positive fillers for the Indian market. Like yesterday, Tesla MD has indicated that they may be opening up the factories in India. Today they will be meeting, PM will be meeting most of the IT heads, and then there is an expectation that the technology transfer for aircraft engines will be done by GE for to HAL. So overall seems today more of a bit negative day. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. As we had seen in Nifty, Nifty has taken a support from its lower channel in yesterday's trading session. The initial first half was a little on the weaker side, but it had picked up in the second half of the market. And for today, taking the cues from the global market, we feel that it's going to be a very flattish opening and it is going to be a sideways momentum throughout the day. We feel the immediate support for Nifty is again placed at 18,750. Once that is broken on closing basis, then only 18,670 to 18,600 levels will be seen. Whereas 18,880 will act as a very strong resistance. Whenever it is going to touch 18,880, it is going to be the third time. If unless 18,880 is not broken on closing basis, then we might not see a big rally. So we feel it is more towards a sideways move in today's session. Moving on to Bank Nifty, similar movement was seen in Bank Nifty, but the important thing is it has taken a strong support of its 50-day moving average, which is around 43, 420, 450. So it has taken the support from those levels and it has shown a bounce back in yesterday's second half. Again, if we feel it's going to be a sideways move, and the support for Bank Nifty is currently placed at 43,550. 43,280 followed by 43,000 levels. So whereas the immediate resistance, once 43,550 is broken, then 44,000 will act as a very strong resistance zone for Bank Nifty, followed by 44,200. Moving on to 15 Nifty Financial Services, it is morely towards the sideways It is showing a sideways move. It is well placed above 19,500 and it has taken a strong support of its 20-day moving average also. The immediate support for this index is placed at 19,400, followed by 19,280, and the upside levels, which are resistance, it is 19,600, followed by 19,700. Moving on to stocks. We feel Biocon is looking good at current levels. It is morely towards the side. It is currently consolidating on its weekly time frame as well as its daily time frame. A good rally will be seen once Biocon starts trading about 247 levels. One can take a buy call in Biocon for a target of 260 by keeping a strict stop loss of 239. We have already initiated a buy call on this counter. I request everyone to take calls with strict stop losses. That's all from my side. I request Nirav to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. On the derivative front, again, there's not much change in the data. As I said yesterday, 18,700, 18,600, these are support levels. Nifty bounced back again from those levels. There was a base building around the 18,700 levels where highest open interest is present. So you will see some bounce coming in from there. However, we are not seeing, call a lot of liquidation in the calls, especially 18,900 or 19,000 level. So that continues to remain a resistance area and, a resistance zone. So until that is crossed, we might not see further buying coming in Nifty. So, it can be a stalemate at this point of time in between 18,700, 18,650 to about 18,900 odd or so. So, look out for the same. This is where a lot of volatility is taking place, and one should be looking to book profits and re-enter only once 19,000 is crossed above. It is a strong resistance on the upside, the 19,000 level. The highest call base is present at the same levels. From the stock specific front, yesterday life insurance stocks witnessed a lot of buying. We have seen a lot of shorts being covered in SBI Life, ICICI Pru, and now HDFC Life is also showing the same signs. So there is likelihood of further buying coming in these stocks, and they can probably perform going forward. A good breakout has also come in HDFC Life, so one can look to buy the stock from a near term perspective, with a strict stop loss. Also, L&T Finance has broken out. A lot of shorts are covered. Now, even though yesterday some more shorts were covered, we believe this stock will head higher, and long creation process has been underway in this stock. It can move up. And this stock can give a very good return because there's a 5-year breakout which has come in this stock. So yeah, so one can look to buy this stock with a stop loss of 110 with a possible target of around 140, 145. Yeah, that's it from my side. I'd like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. So continuing with what Nirav said, there is some news on HDFC Life as well. The Competition Commission of India has approved HDFC Limited's acquisition of additional shareholding in HDFC Life. Acquisition of this additional shareholding will be done via one or more market purchases on stock exchanges. Following the merger, HDFC and HDFC Bank, the merged entity, will hold over 50% shares in HDFC Life. This is positive for HDFC Life. After US-based private equity firm TPG sold its stake in Shriram Finance recently, now Piramal Enterprises is planning to sell its entire 8.3% stake in Shriram Finance via block deals today. Shriram Finance closed at 15.59 a share, and deal floor price is at 14.83, which is a discount of 5% to Tuesday's closing. This is positive for both Shriram Finance as well as Piramal Enterprises. In fact, Shriram Finance is currently trading at around 1.1 times FY25, and company has guided for 15% kind of AUM growth with 15% ROE. So based on that, we think that there can be a possible short-term move in fact, both the companies. Rail Vikas Nigam has clarified that the news yesterday floating around with respect to breaking up of the JV with Transmash Holding, which is a Russian company, is incorrect. The company said that bank guarantee will be deposited within the time limit, and company is going ahead with this JV. So this is positive for RVNL. Thank you.
Good morning. Aptech MD and CEO Anil Pant has taken an indefinite leave on account of sudden deterioration of his health. The board has constituted an interim committee to ensure smooth functioning of the operations of the company. This is short-term negative. Thank you.
Good morning. Yesterday, Bajaj Consumer Care Limited has launched a new product that is Bajaj 100% Pure Henna, which currently caters to domestic market. This is positive for the company. Pidilite Industries launched its manufacturing facilities under its two joint ventures, Pidilite Litokol and Tenax Pidilite in Amod, Gujarat. Litokol Spa Italy and Tenax Spa Italy have transferred the technology to Pidilite as a part of this joint venture. This development will strengthen Pidilite's presence in the tile and stone care range. The new manufacturing units are fully automated and spread over an area of 27,000 square feet for Litokol and 21,000 square feet for Tenax respectively. Tenax offers some of the best product solutions for the installation and upkeep of marble and granite stones. And Litocol's Sterlike range of quartz-based technology epoxy grouts are stain-proof, non-absorbent, and highly suitable for both interior and exterior floor and wall applications. So with this collaboration, Tenax and Litokol both have got the opportunity to introduce its products in the Indian market, whereas Pidilite will be leveraging its distribution network to market these products. So this is positive for the company. Thank you.
Yeah, that's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in yesterday's session, we had seen gold prices correcting and closing below 59,200 mark. So 59,200 was an important level to watch out for. So a cautious sign um, is to be observed for the long positions and those who are holding the long positions. Correction may lead to 58 500 to 58 200. So as long as it is holding below 59 200, we recommend to uh, 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 sell, and one can sell around 58 950 to 59,000. In silver also, prices are likely to test 69 700 to 500. The support area is around 70,100, and one one can witness a pullback if 70,000 is holding on, but however on around 70,850 to 71,000, prices should be under pressure. So again, selling pressure will be there. And in crude oil, we had seen there is a broad range from 59.50 to 57.50. So prices are trading in this range. For a pullback, one can buy around 58.50 and maintain a stop loss of 5,800. Though this is probably a range bound movement, so we recommend to take profit around 59.20 to 59.50. And in natural gas, we have seen profit taking prices were resisting 22 222 on upside. So this is a profit taking rally, and one can also initiate a buy around 200 levels, and we again expect prices to test 215 to 16. So one can maintain a buy of 190 and buy around 200 levels. In metal, yesterday we seen copper prices are holding strong, and prices are supportive at 726 27 levels. though zinc had witnessed a sell-off, but copper prices are holding strong, and we expect prices to test to 736, 38 levels. So buying around 730 is recommended. In the zinc prices, in zinc also we maintain the view of buying the metal, and we expect prices to test 219 on upside. So buying is recommended around 215.50, and one should maintain a stop loss of 212. And in aluminum also, prices are drifting down and trading weak. Uh, uh, Prices should be weak below 204 levels. So on downside, again 201, 200 is the level we are looking for. So all in all, could be in a range from 200 to 204. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading sessions in USD as we witnessed yesterday, there is a little bit pullback from the lower side. So for today's trading session, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 82.25 to 82.09 levels. This strict stop loss of 82.01 levels for the target of 82.25 and 82.30 levels. And on the higher side, one can initiate also short positions also around 82.30 to 82.25 range. The strict stop loss of 82.41 levels for the target of 82.16 and 82.08 levels. In GBP INR, if prices are going to sustain above 104.95 levels, then after we saw a very sharp upside movement, so one can initiate a long position at that levels for the target of 105.40 levels with a strict stop loss of 104.60 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 89.55 to 89.50 levels. The stop loss of 89.38 levels for the target of 89.75 and 89.90 levels. Thank you.